Alright, so welcome to this trade breakdown of the trade that I took today. Um, I wanted to make this video just for my private group initially, but then I thought like why not just make one of my first YouTube videos where I'll just be breaking down this trade that I took on March the 21st on EU. So yeah, let's just hop straight into it. And if you want to join my private group, feel free to DM me on Instagram, which will be in my bio. And yeah, let's just get started. So this is the trade right here that I took on EU today. Let me just start over and remove everything. And let me just replay till right here. Alright, so this is right before London Open where I was looking for a trade. So I just hopped on my sessions. If it loads. Alright, so then we see that we got Asia high right here and we got Asia low. So I was just waiting for one to get swept and then target the other essentially. So let's just play a bit further. Boom. We see right here that Asia high gets swept. So what did I do? I see that Asia high got swept. So now I'm looking for shorts because I trade the London Judas swing myself. So yeah. And then I hopped onto the higher time frame, and I saw that we traded in right into this 1 hour order block. Right, let me turn on sessions. Right here, traded into this 1 hour order block right above Asia high. And so right here I was already interested in sells. We see that this order block is being formed here beautifully as well. So I dropped onto the 5-minute, and let me play a bit further. Boom. So we see that price reacted really nicely off this 1 hour order block right here, right? So just play the next candle. Boom. I wanted to take a trade here off of this 5-minute fair value gap initially, but there was no market structure shift. We just had a sweep right here, so there was a good chance that price would just continue, right? So therefore I was waiting for some more confirmation, and I waited for price to break below this low, right? Which is our market structure shift, because now this is our range, and I wanted to see this low I wanted to see this low breaking before taking a short. So what did I do? I just waited for that low right here to go, and on this trade I had a little bit of a different approach, because normally I don't market enter. I just wait for a move to happen and set a limit. But right here I was confident that price wouldn't to go down. Why? Because I wanted to see what kind of reaction we would get from this 5-minute fair value gap, and then we aggressively came lower, breaking structure here. So what did I do? Right at this market structure shift, I just market entered, because I was confident that I was confident that price, once we broke this low, wouldn't come above here, because now this was supposed to be our high of the day, made during London. So yeah, I just market entered right here with my stop right above this high, and my target was this line. Now let's take a look what that line is. I hopped onto the 1 hour, and I saw that we had this massive fair value gap right here, which is right here. And this fair value gap was created during FOMC yesterday. So even after this expansion, a lot of people were bullish on EU and bearish on DXY. But why did I take a short here? Because yes, sure, price might look bullish here, even though we got quite some sell side right here. there's still a possibility for a retracement to happen. It doesn't mean if price is looking bullish, it doesn't mean that price can't come down, right? We're always gonna have retracements, and a lot of people say like the trend is your friend, and I've said this before. Sure, the trend is your friend, but that doesn't mean you can't catch retracements. Just like this trade, like would you need to think about this, like would you long right here? Would you long if you had this whole range? You wouldn't, right? So therefore a short makes sense right here. So I took that short. Now that we know that this line is the 1 hour fair value gap, and I market entered my trade right there. So let's just play price now and see how it plays out. Oh yeah, my TP was here at this line. Well, actually my stop was right above the body, I think. Yeah, at 2.9R. So yeah, let's just play price. Boom. Instantly hit TP. It only took like 50 minutes, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it took right about 50 minutes because we had quite some Euro news during London. So yeah, this was a quick trade. And yeah, it was a pretty simple trade, just as I always trade. The London Judas swing. It's a really easy strategy, but it's not the holy grail. A strategy won't define the type. I mean, it won't define the trader that you are. It's not going to make you profitable. What is going to make you profitable is how you execute it, your risk management, and all of that stuff. So yeah, a pretty simple trade right here. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments or DM me on Instagram, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. And yeah, this was the trade. Let me know if you enjoy this type of content and what other type of content you would like to see. But yeah, I hope this video was informative. I hope it was helpful to some people. And yeah, let me know what you thought about it. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.